guys, it's your girl Mila B and welcome back to another video. Please excuse my background. I am in the transition of changing and moving apartments, so that is what's going on back there. But yes, this video is a tumbling video. I am going to give you 2 easy peasy drills that you can do at home to start practicing your fall or stretch to bridge. So without further ado, let's go get into it. You want to make sure that the athlete's feet are firmly planted on the ground. Their arms are past their ears. They are looking at their fingertips and they are going to trust themselves to fall all the way to the mat. Make sure the athlete does not go to their heels when falling and they are not putting all their weight in their knees, causing them to shift forward. Once they are comfortable with falling on the foldable cheese mat, I then open up the cheese mat and have them start practicing fall to bridge. 3 things you want to remember. You want to remember to have the athlete start on the edge of the cheese mat at the bottom. Make sure their feet are on the cheese mat, because if not, and the cheese mat is not against a wall, when the athlete falls to bridge, the mat will move from underneath them. Also, make sure their hips are tucked forward. Once again, their arms are past their ears. They're following their fingertips all the way down to the ground. Because the cheese mat is at an incline, it makes it 10 times easier for the athlete to fall. Once their hands hit the incline, you want to make sure you have flat feet at all times. I always try to make sure that my athlete has the proper technique before we start. Your feet are shoulder width apart, your toes are facing forward, your hips are tucked in, your head is looking at your fingertips, your arms are past your ears. And as you see, when you push the athlete's hips forward, it automatically makes them want to go ahead and initiate the fall. After so, I love putting my hand in the crease of the back, slowing them down until they reach the ground. The key to this skill is slow and control. So make sure it's nice and slow and it gives the athlete time to block out through their arms. And eventually, you'll have a fall to bridge. And those were those easy drills that you can do to start practicing your fall or stretch to bridge. Now, if you guys are wanting to learn how to even do a bridge, handstand, or cartwheel, I do have an ebook for 5 beginner skills being sold on my website and on my Etsy shop. So definitely check that out. The links will be in the description box below. And if you like this video and want more drills to practice your skills, give it a thumbs up. And you guys are to do like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye, y'all.